Hey everyone, my name is Amber Colada, and if you don't know, I am a hairstylist. I recently bought a new pair of shears and I wanted to show you guys my shears because I feel like there's no videos on shears out there. I've looked on YouTube, I looked on Google for shears and what people recommend, what works, and there just isn't a lot of information out there. So I wanted to show you guys my shear collection. So first off, I'm going to start with my shears from school. I think it's highly important that you keep these even if you upgraded. I still think it's super important to keep your shears from school because these are like my backup shears. If I'm running super like usual, I'm like no time to go to the bathroom, no time to eat because I'm on my feet for 8 hours, 12 hours. I've opened, closed, and I still haven't like had time for myself to do anything or clean shears. These are my backup shears, so I pull these out if I don't have time to clean my other ones. But these are my shears. So it is, I believe the brand is Mariana, and it says Kiru, K-I-R-U. One of those is the brand, one of those is the model, I'm assuming. I'm not saying go out and buy these because I wouldn't go out and buy these, but I'm just saying keep your shears from school. Because most schools, I believe, give you a free pair of shears. I think all schools do. It's with the kit. So, yeah, so these ones I've had for so long. They are as tight as they'll go, but they're still like super loose. They shouldn't go that far. They should kind of stop around here. But yeah, they're super loose. I literally tightened them again last week. I don't know, they make that scary sound when I cut hair, and they scare me. They're like super sharp too, and I don't know how they're so sharp because I've used these on mannequins for so long. But yeah, keep these because you can use them on mannequins, and I would not use my nicer shears on mannequins. I just wouldn't. I just would use these ones. And then I have the original razor that I got from school. It's called Feather, which is pretty well known. So that's my school one. So when I came out of school, I didn't have a lot of money, and no one does when they come out of school. When you come out of school, I feel like you are struggling to find clients. You were putting it on social media, you're telling everyone, hey, come in, get a haircut. I've got a spot open. Like, that's just how it is. And so you don't really have that source of income to just throw money at shears. And I'm sure if you've looked at shears, you know shears are like $1,500. They can be like $3,000. If you go to a hair show, shears are super expensive. I think that you just don't need to pay that much money. If you want shears that are like blinged out, like super long, or they've got the swivel and this and that and every upgrade on it, then hey, if that's what you want, get them. I just don't need a lot of stuff. I just need shears. So when I came out of school, I researched, and in 2011 or 2012, I found the brand Washi. I found them online, and they had decently priced stuff, and they had like kits, and I just really needed like a basic essential kit. Like, I just needed shears to get by and work in the salon. So I got this kit. My grandparents helped me pay for it as part of my like graduation, getting state board licensed kind of thing. So they helped me pay for that, and I thank them so much for that. And so I got this kit. This is the cotton candy kit from Washi. It came with this cool case. I know they still sell this kit, and I don't think it comes with the same case. If you can get this case though, because it's a booklet. I like it. It's like heavy duty compared to the other case they have. But yeah, so I'll just show you guys real quick how it has the shears. And then on this side, it has like a business card spot, and then some more slots for shears and razors. And I have my oil for oiling my shears that I never do. So you get in the cotton candy kit, this kit only costs like $300. I probably used a discount code, but they always have discount codes. So if you like subscribe to their email list, you'll get some. And yeah, that was way more affordable for 3 shears than the other ones where they're like so expensive. Anyways, so this is the shears. They came with these cute little gems. I'm a sucker for anything pastel, and for some reason I was just like, these are so pastel and cute and blinky. I know it might not be your style, but I like them, and I still like them years later. It's got the basic shear, and they're 5.5 inch, just so you know. That's pretty standard with shears, but you can pick how long you want them. And then it has the texturizers with the 16 teeth and the 30 teeth. At first, when I got this kit, I did not know, like straight out of school, I didn't know the difference and really how to use both the shears. But now I do, and I love having the 16 and the 30. It's awesome depending on what look I'm going for. And then they just have like the little things. Sometimes I take them out. I really don't care. It's whatever for them. But yeah, so I highly recommend this kit. I have never gotten them I've never gotten them sharpened. I'm actually sending them in after this video. I wanted to make sure I got a video of them first. But I am sending them in to get sharpened for the first time. If you buy them through Washi, they are $25 to get sharpened, and they ship them right back to you. As well as when you buy the kit, you get to pick a razor color. I don't know if they still have this razor color. I got the titanium one back in the day. But yeah, so I got a razor. People compliment me all the time on this razor because of the titanium color, and I'm like, it's just a razor. Like, I don't feel like it's anything special, but that's cool when people compliment my shears. So I bought that kit, and then it comes, they usually come with like the thing with all the circles and to change the size, I think, and then the oil and the little dusting, I don't know, cloth that I don't know if anyone really uses. I guess if you take good care of your shears, then you'll use it. All right, then another set that I bought from Washi, just recently bought, was the titanium set. So I really wanted a titanium set because I wanted something a little bit more blingy. And yeah, I just wanted them. And they, on the picture, just to warn you, on the picture for the website, they were orange and pink. However, I don't think they have control over the actual coloring and how they do it. So these ones came like more green and like purple. But just to show you guys, these are the 5.5 inch as well. One thing that kind of bugged me about these shears is that when I got them, the main shear looks shorter than 5.5 inch. However, it is 5.5 inch. I put it next to my other ones. It's the same size, but for some reason I feel like the tip visually looks smaller. And I showed someone else and they were like, whoa, those look tiny. And I don't know why. But they're super dope. Like, I like the color. I think they're neat. But yeah, and so then it came with the texturizers. And then it comes with the set, or with the case. So these are the new cases I think they have. I don't like them as much. Maybe I'll grow to like it. It just doesn't feel as like thick as the other ones, like as good quality. But it does fit everything in here pretty much. You can fit basically 3 shears and a razor. So yeah, and then I got another razor because I think all their sets come with the razors, like you just pick the color. And so I went for this like poppy pretty pink, I don't know, pastel pink, which is cute. I like it. I don't know. I mean, now I have 3 razors, so it is what it is. And then I decided to upgrade those shears. And so I bought the master set that they sell from Washi, and I think these are like $3.99. Maybe I think I got them for like $3.50 with the coupon code. Sign up for their email list because it's amazing. But they are the master BB set. So I got these, and I actually got these ones in the 6 inch because it bugged me that those ones just visually looked short, and I just wanted my shears to look long and pretty. So these are them. So I feel like I need to do that. I love how long they are. They have the gems. One thing I did notice is that they're 2 different gems, like they're completely different gems. One's like a dark purpley pink and the other one's like really light pink. It doesn't bug me that much. Like, it's not gonna bug me in the back of my head or anything. I just thought, they're different. And then these are the handles. So there's some detailing on, if you can see. I think it's really pretty to have a little bit of detail, and it feels a little bit more like advanced and master and professional stylist to have those little details. So I don't know if you can tell, but they are, it looks like roses in the thing. So pretty cool. The only thing I would change now with these ones, I'm super particular. I'd change so much stuff in my life. But the only things I would change is I would change these to have the black gem, just because I really like gothic style. And I realized when I got them, I was like, oh, they're super long. And there's like the roses and everything, they would have been like really sick if they had the black gems. So, but yeah, I'm really excited about these. Like, I've already used these, and they just super nice. So look at that blade. Ugh, amazing. But anyways, that's all my shears. Now they're all pretty much washi. I was gonna buy some from, I believe the brand is Kamisori, Kamisori, because my friend has that pair and they seem good quality. I looked on their webpage, they had a really good set, but of course when I went to buy it, it was out, which is why I decided to go back to washi, because I was like, I know these are good, I know these work well, and I know these will last. So their customer service is amazing. I highly recommend them. They don't know I'm making this video. I'm not sponsored, but I do definitely recommend you check them out. I feel like their sets are really great for someone who's right out of school. They're affordable, they're quality, but they're also good for the more advanced stylists too. Like, honestly, I love them, and I just know that I'm gonna buy it and they're gonna last for another 15 years kind of thing. So there's no worries there, and the price is right. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my shears. Let me know if you have some washi shears, or if you've tried them, or if you've heard of them. If not, let me know down below what brands you guys recommend, because I'm definitely always interested in like seeing other brands. And shears are something so cool, and they can be so like artsy, and like I just wish they had more designs at washi. But like, I don't know, just send me your brands. I want to look at different shears too. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and also let me know how you like the hairstyling video, because I feel like I like more fashion and lifestyle, but there's just no hairstyling videos out there. So if you like this video, let me know. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching.